summer of 2022, we got several pictures of this massive 13-point buck. We hadn't seen it in person in scouting, but we knew that it had been coming out multiple times during the daylight right close to our stand. This buck just had points coming out all over the place. This was without question the biggest buck that I'd had on my camera in several years. It had more points and bigger mass than anything that I'd seen in a long time. So we were really excited to get out on opening day. We got out real early, but we didn't have much luck. We saw a few small bucks walking around chasing does. We could tell that it was a good time to be hunting, but we weren't having the luck that we wanted to have. After a long day of hunting without much luck, just seeing some small bucks and a lot of does, we packed up and headed home. We skipped Sunday and headed back out Monday morning. We did see a couple nice bucks get into a little scuffle, but we decided it wasn't the ones we wanted to shoot. We were waiting for the big one. The rest of that morning was a lot of the same, just a lot of does and small bucks hanging out, running around our deer stand. After we got out of the deer stand, my brother called and he said, "We'd been seeing deer running all day long, so we headed back out as soon as we could." We hadn't sat there but 15 minutes, and there he was.
You see him? Just be easy. Just wait for him. Yep, that's it.
He dropped right on the spot, didn't move even an inch. So I was too excited. I had to get down, had to go look. And I got all the way up to him and realized that is the wrong buck.
Are you serious?
Wrong buck or not, that was still the biggest buck that I've ever shot, and one that I'll be proud to hang on my wall and tell people the story of the shot. I've never shot one in the middle of the day before, but that was one of the most exciting hunts that I've been on, and I can't wait to have another year like that.